how to cancel Commbank direct debit. So this is information by them specifically, so it should be reliable and you should be able to follow it. So it's actually as simple as messaging them to submit a request to stop or cancel or dispute a direct debit. So you could just go ahead to your preferred browser and search for their FAQ and how to cancel direct debits and go directly here or message them or anyway for them to receive your message and tell them that you want to cancel a direct debit. So in the Commbank app, you can tap the help icon at the top right of your screen to message their virtual assistant, and then they'll ask you a few questions about the payment before processing the request for you. And then provided you have the correct account and debit or merchant details. So once submitted, you'll receive a notification in the Commbank app when your request has been processed. So make sure you've got notifications on. And for more info on how to do this, you can always go ahead and check out their messaging page. So canceling your direct debit will prevent future payments from being debited from your account. So however though, any contractual arrangement between you and the merchant may remain in place. So you may want to also contact the merchant or service provider to inform them that the payments have been stopped. So there may be implications to your contracts. For example, if you still owe money for a service or utility, you'll need to negotiate an alternative payment method. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.